Okay, so first of all, you need to take out the eyelets. I've already done one here just so I knew what I was doing. The easiest way I found to take these out is to get a pair of pliers and then basically go around the edges like this. You get this side inside the hole, press down, and then you grab that up like that, and then the edge will start to pop up. So then do that all the way around that eyelet. As you can see, it's gonna look something like this. It's just gonna be all bent up around the edges. After you've done that, you grab both sides like that, and then you squeeze them. You squeeze them in to make them more narrow, if you know what I mean. And then naturally, the inside is way more looser now. I can feel that with my finger, that's way looser. And you can start to do the same on the inside pretty much. Keep squeezing these in to basically slide the metal out of the hole. Boom, and there you go. That one there, you've got the back one here. So that's step one, the easiest way I found to remove these things. I thought they were called eyelets, but I see people keep calling them gommets on YouTube. So now, of course, you got to do the rest if you want to get the ropes inside these. I'll probably just turn the camera off now and fast forward to when I've done all of them. That's all done now. As you can see, those have all been taken out. So next, you're gonna need the rope that you're gonna use to put in. From what I've seen on Instagram, people are using all different type of ropes. I'm gonna use this because I feel like these match these shoes best. They're not completely white, but they're like a cream color. So all you're gonna do now is just put those in. I feel like these are still too big for the holes. For most of you, that's all you will need to do is just put those straight in if your rope's thinner than this. If your rope's thick like mine, what you'll need to do next. For me, I think the quickest way is to use a drill and one of these. I think they're called drill bits. You get them in all different sizes. Another way you could do it if you don't have a drill is just to grab something like a screwdriver or a pencil and sort of put it through one of the holes. Let me use this one down here. Put it through one of the holes and just turn it, you know what I mean? Just to make the hole bigger, really. I'm gonna use a drill. You can buy super cheap drills. I bought this for like £30 or something. I'll put a link below to where you can buy this. Also the rope where you can buy this. So I'm kind of gonna match up which part I will need to match the string and the hole size as well. Right, I might even need bigger than this. Okay, so I'm gonna use the biggest one. So put this in here. So now what I'm gonna do is put this in every hole and then drill. If this still isn't big enough, you can actually put it in and then move it around inside the hole like that, and then you can get a bigger hole. That's what I'm doing here actually. Alright, so I'm gonna try that out and see if the holes are big enough yet. There we go, so the holes are big enough now. And then from here it's pretty much straightforward. You just tie your laces and yeah, I'm gonna speed this part up. Going way too fast, there ain't no slowing down. God knows I've been patient, I gotta floor it down. I ain't gotta say, I'm gonna hold it down, hold it down. But that's pretty much it. And yo, this rope is so long, look how much I have left. Obviously you can do whatever people usually do with high tops. They usually like tie them round twice or whatever, and then they put a knot on the back. Or you can just cut them down. As you can see on the ends, they're taped here. So all you do is cut these down, tape them round. For example, if you wanted to cut it here, I'd say wrap the tape around first, wrap it around super tight, and then cut over the tape, but leave some of the tape left here, if you know what I mean. If you cut it before you tape, it's gonna come out like this basically, and then you're gonna need to start wrapping it with tape. Don't do it that way. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do the other shoe now, and then I'm gonna do some on foot pictures / pans.
It's slow like you're moving off tech. I want the gold and I want the green. I want the red and blue patty fillet. New to the stage but I'm hot on the scene. Cuff on your hips like it's hide and seek.
Won't you spend the night by my side, so I don't feel alone for one more night. Voices haunting me, come alive, and I try to fight through the stormy night. I'm trying to survive, but every day is getting harder and harder till I put my life on the line. I know they won't see me give up on all my dreams, but they can't stop me from shining. I'm in her voices, it's telling me they don't like me. Head full of noise, I tell her just leave me my lonely. Please let it take over me, yeah. Let me die in solitary, yeah. Can't close my eyes when I sleep.
She wanna vibe, lay down the pipe, I ain't got time, nah, I ain't got time, nah, I ain't gon' lie, nah, inviting me. Shawty be looking enticing, she acting up like she likes me. Playing my part, moving lightly. Let me dive in, let me see you now. I can be yours now, very lightly.
Alright, so that is pretty much it. How to swap out your normal laces for rope laces. Yeah, if you like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be doing more videos like this. So yeah, see you in the next video.